Hey, just welcome back. I got a new toy, got a new auger for this Mini X. Well, we're gonna give it a try. Stay tuned, we'll see if this thing works, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, see ya. Tested it out, does a pretty good job. If you're gonna do a whole bunch of holes, like for fence posts or something like that, you have to go slow with it, mainly because of the power of the machine. It's a small machine. I'm only doing a couple of posts here and there, so I think it'll work out pretty good for me. You can see it's got a tip on it here. That seemed to do pretty good. Overall, it's pretty sturdy, and the motor seemed to work good. I've just got it plumbed in off of my hydraulic thumb, which I may get quick disconnects for here because that's kind of a pain. But and then you just have to run it with the lever here. So all in all, not too bad. It's going to work for what I need. So thanks for tuning in, and let me know what you think. If think of any projects this might come in handy for. Thanks for watching. Bye.